We're now going to show how to fix major repairs on the top of your silk surface. For a large crack, you can cut out a 45-degree section using a V-cutter. For both large or small repairs, you'll machine out a piece of the surface as well as machining an insert for the repair. In preparation, start by flattening off the edge that will be placed at the bottom of the repair, allowing space for the glue to ensure a strong hold. Begin by applying glue to the edges, remembering that you can't have too much glue. Then fill the rest of the channel with glue. Take the repair piece, ensuring that the flat edge is facing into the groove. Press down on the piece firmly and slide back and forth, ensuring that the glue is spread everywhere across the piece. Next, clamp the piece in place, ensuring a strong hold. Once the glue is set and hard, we can begin sanding. Start with 120 grit paper, with the goal being working the piece back to flat. Once the bulk of the excess material has been sanded down, you need to start being very careful about your positioning. Ensure that the sander is flat so you don't create divots. Once you start getting this low down, ensure that a feathering technique is used while sanding. So the closer you get to a flat surface, the further out from the area you need to sand. Working in a crisscross pattern across the top, it's only once the surface is very flat that we can start to work down our grits. But before we do this, ensure to finish all the edges. With all the edges now sanded flat, we can begin to work through our grits to ensure a great finish. Remember not to skip any grits, as the smaller the jump between grit sizes, the better the finish at the end. Remember to always clean off the dust between each grit. As you can now see, the repair is virtually undetectable. SilkSurface is one of the only materials that can have this level of repair without requiring a full replacement.